The Volkswagen T2 van is not just a vehicle, it's a symbol of an entire generation. Known worldwide as the Hippie van, this iconic machine embodies the spirit of freedom, adventure, and a laid-back lifestyle of the 1970s. Its simple yet functional design and incredible utility have made it a timeless classic that continues to inspire people even today. You've probably seen it in vintage road trip posters or retro-themed gatherings, but the story behind this van is even more fascinating. During the 1970s, road trips became a lifestyle, and the Volkswagen T2 van was at the heart of it all. This van wasn't just a mode of transportation, it was a portable home. You could sleep in it, cook in it, and turn any corner of the world into your campsite. Its reliable boxer engine and sturdy design made it capable of handling rough terrains with ease. It wasn't just a vehicle, it was a companion that urged you to keep moving, to explore without limits, and to live life on your terms. Even today, the Volkswagen T2 remains a dream machine for automobile enthusiasts. Vintage car collectors and customization fanatics see it as a blank canvas for their creativity. You might have seen brightly colored, artistically designed T2 vans at car shows or on the streets, each one telling its own unique story. The popularity of this van hasn't diminished. In fact, it's grown stronger. Rare Volkswagen T2 vans are sold at auctions for as much as $100,000, proving that this classic holds a special place in people's hearts. But it's not just about nostalgia, it's also about practicality. T2 vans are still a popular choice for road trips and camping. With a spacious interior, foldable seats, and its undeniable retro charm, this van offers comfort, functionality, and a head-turning aesthetic. It's more than just transportation, it's an experience. Whether you're a classic car lover or someone looking to add a unique twist to your next adventure, the Volkswagen T2 van is the perfect choice. If this story inspired you, make sure to like and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, Upcoming Car, and hit the bell icon for more exciting content. Your journey to discover your dream car begins right here.